Looking for a smooth and flawless Brazilian wax at home? Tired of expensive salon visits? Stay tuned as we reveal the best products and expert tips for a pain-free, long-lasting waxing experience. Scene 2. Introduction to at-home Brazilian waxing. Welcome to MTH Health, where we bring you the best tips for self-care and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of at-home Brazilian waxing. With the rising popularity of DIY waxing, more people are choosing to skip the salon and save money by waxing at home. But to get salon-quality results, choosing the right products is key. Let's explore how you can achieve smooth, irritation-free skin with ease. Before selecting your waxing products, it's crucial to understand your skin and hair type. If you have sensitive skin, opt for hypoallergenic waxes to minimize irritation. Coarse hair. A hard wax with strong grip is your best bet. Fine hair, a gentle sugar wax might be ideal. Here's a quick test. If your skin turns red easily, you likely have sensitive skin. If your hair feels thick and wiry, go for a wax formulated for coarse hair. Choosing the right product can make all the difference. Now, let's talk essentials. For a successful at-home Brazilian, you'll need a high-quality wax. Choose from hard wax, soft wax, or sugar wax. Pre-wax cleanser removes oil and dirt for better adhesion. Wooden applicator sticks ensures smooth application. Wax strips, if using soft wax, helps remove hair effectively. Aftercare soothing gel prevents redness and irritation. And ingrown hair treatment keeps your skin smooth and bump-free. Each of these plays a vital role in getting salon-quality results at home. Ready to wax? Follow these simple steps for a seamless experience. First, clean the area. Use a mild cleanser to remove oils and prep your skin. Next, heat the wax. Follow the package instructions for the perfect temperature. Then, apply the wax. Use a wooden stick to spread the wax in the direction of hair growth. After that, remove quickly. Hold the skin taut and pull the wax strip against hair growth. Finally, soothe and hydrate. Apply a post-wax gel to calm the skin and reduce redness. And remember, exfoliate later. Wait 24 to 48 hours before exfoliating to prevent ingrown hairs. Bonus tip: always do a patch test before waxing to check for skin reactions. Now let's explore the best waxing products available. The best hard wax, perfect for coarse hair, minimal pain. The best sugar wax, gentle on skin, easy cleanup. The best soft wax, ideal for fine hair, smooth application. And the best aftercare soothing gel to prevent irritation. All these products are available online. Get started on your waxing journey. Now that you know how to achieve a flawless Brazilian wax at home, which product will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more self-care tips. Thanks for watching MTH Health. Stay smooth and confident.